Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Snow White on Dress to Impress. No VIP needed for this one, so let's get started with the video. I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones I did accessory adjustments on, which is pretty much like almost all of it. Select this hair and toggle it to only bangs, and also select this hair and toggle it to only bangs with these adjustments, Y 0.53 and scale it to 0.41. Select this hair in no bangs too. Select this hair in bangs only. And then select this hair in just black. And then select this headband in this color red, 9C114 in silk. 9C1114 in silk. For these adjustments, I did position the same rotation at 0.25 and scaled it to 0.47. Then I used this bow in the same color and material. And then I toggled it to type 3, position the Y at 0.6, Z 0.38, rotate the X at 0.34, and scale it to 0.01. Then for the outfit, I just have, well, wear the witch set. This one in this yellow here. And then this top in this blue, 3D4B69. And then for the sleeves, I just use a code item here in sleeves only. In this color, 728CC3, and that red that we used on the bows. I'm gonna just do default actually. I didn't really change that. I might have to, but for the shoes, I just use these ones in the yellow and white color. And then grab the apple for an extra accessory, and that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!